Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Ford Ranger's remote key fob. It's a simple process that many owners can do right in their driveway, saving you both time and money. We'll walk through the steps to get your new or replacement key fob working seamlessly with your truck. This easy guide focuses on the remote keyless entry function for many popular Ranger models. Before we begin, gather all the key fobs you want to program, even existing ones. It's crucial to program them all at once. This method typically works for many Ford Ranger models, especially older ones. For newer trucks, or if you're programming a transponder chip key, a professional might be needed. Also, double-check that your key fob has a good battery. Now for the programming. First, close all your truck's doors, then open just the driver's side door. Next, insert your key into the ignition and quickly turn it from the OFF to the RUN position 8 times within 10 seconds, ending on RUN. The door locks will cycle, indicating programming mode. Immediately press any button on your first key fob, then repeat for any other fobs. To complete the process, turn the ignition back to the OFF position. The door locks will cycle one final time, confirming you've exited programming mode. Now, test each key fob to ensure it locks and unlocks your Ranger. If the locks don't cycle, try the ignition sequence a bit faster. For persistent issues or transponder key programming, a professional locksmith can provide assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.